Hello dear children. In this class we will discuss about the features of Windows 10. So you must have heard the operating system from Microsoft, is it? Windows different flavors are there. Okay. So the different operating system of Windows are Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 8 etc. Okay. One of the latest and popular operating system is Windows 10. So in this video, we will discuss about the new features of Windows 10. As you all know, Windows 10 is the latest operating system introduced by Microsoft and it has so many features. Mainly, it is very user-friendly operating system and it provides high security. Okay, so this Windows 10 operating system provided high security and also it is very user friendly operating system, and Windows 10 have some other exciting features also. Okay, so let's move on to that. What are the Windows next new features, new exciting features? And just because of some its new features are the main reason for its familiarity. Okay, they are Snap Assistant, Cortana, Condinum and browsing tools, then tablet modes. These are the some latest features of Windows 10 operating system. Clear? Some of the features are, the first one is more personal. Okay, it can be used as the Windows 10 can be used as a personal digital assistant, and it is the best window for gaming and providing feature synchronization. For example, suppose you are playing game on your mobile phone, your smartphone. At the same time, you can connect your phone to your smart TV. Then this operating system provide a feature that will automatically convert your mobile screen to a smartphone. Okay, mobile screen into a smart TV using the synchronization option. And also this operating system providing another one feature, that is the facility to work with multiple desktop, and thus you can prioritize your desktop. Okay, the one of the first feature of Windows 10 operating system. Then the next we can move to, that is Condinum. Condinum is sometimes you might hearing the first time, which means that it is the new feature that support the device to work with mouse and keyboard as well as touch support. Which means there are two modes. Windows 10 provided two mode screen. That means that is tablet mode and desktop mode. Okay, so using the tablet mode and desktop mode, nowadays we were using the computer in desktop mode, but Windows 10 provided this feature. There we don't want to use mouse, we can arrange the screen. Okay, we can assign the screen just like our tablet or smartphone. So what are the things we are doing? We can use the touch facility here for doing something on your computer. So Condinum is the second feature of computer, this Windows 10 operating system, and this means that we are arranging screen in two mode, that may be tablet mode or desktop mode. Clear? Okay, so dear children, Windows 10 being the latest version and it is integrated with many new features, updated features. Okay, so this make it more user friendly and functional. Okay, and another one, introducing multiple desktop. So Windows 10 provided the facility to work with multiple desktop. That is another one feature of Windows 10. So a user can work with multiple desktop, and that you can use, and you can prioritize your desktop. Okay, which multiple desktop is available in Windows 10. So what are the things we discussed here? First support or first feature is it is very user friendly and more personal. Okay, so Windows 10 is more personal. And second feature we discussed, it is enhanced start menu is there, and the third one continuum. So I will show you here, just please look at the screen. You can see there the tablet mode and desktop mode. So the computer Windows 10 operating system is providing two mode, that is tablet mode and desktop mode. So using this support, the device can work, the operating system support the device to work with the mouse and keyboard as well as a touch support, just like our tablet or smartphone. Okay, clear? Okay, let's move on to the next feature of Windows, that is Cortana. Okay, Cortana means it is a powerful search tool, and using this you can play music, games, sets alarms and reminders, etc. Okay, so which means that it simplifies the search process by letting you search anything using your voice. We got the clear idea, which means that the Cortana, the Windows assistant, which simplifies the search process by letting you search anything using your voice. Okay, so you can also send email and set a reminder and alarms, etc. using this Cortana. So this is the new feature, one of the new feature of Windows 10, that is Cortana. Cortana help us to search on, help us to work, or help us to search by using the any our voice. Okay, so letting you search anything using our voice. Okay, that is the new feature, another one new feature of Cortana. Okay, and I will show you here about this Cortana and this screen. Cortana, here you can search. How can you search in Cortana? So the screen I will show you here, just please look on the screen. Okay, so this is the Cortana screen of Windows 10. There you can search, you can write search there on the screen, and this provide the searching facility by using your voice. Clear? Okay, the next feature of Windows 10, that is task view. As I told you earlier, this Windows 10 provide the facility to work with multiple desktop, and thus you can prioritize your task properly. Okay, so using this task view option, this view help us to organize the application in multiple desktop. Okay, so multiple desktop can be created and viewed by using viewed together. Okay, apps can be dragged from one desktop to another also possible. So this task view button it is and shortcut to a file explorer and various other applications, which means that task view option multiple feature. The next feature of Windows 10, that is browser. Okay, so internet browser, Microsoft Edge is the latest browser by using Microsoft Corporation. So it integrates Cortana to provide advanced search features like voice search, and it is designed for Windows 10 to be faster and safer and more compatible than other web browsers. So as you all know, you are familiar with very other browsing software just like Google Chrome or Opera, but here we are using the one of the fastest browsing software, that is Microsoft Edge. So it generate a reading mode of the web page displaying only text, which means it provide a reading room. Okay, when you search any topic on internet, then the images and text graphics also appear now. So it is inconvenient for smooth reading, is it? So Windows help. This Microsoft Edge helps to remove unnecessary graphics and pictures, and it help us for smooth reading. Okay, so Microsoft Edge is the one of the latest browsing softwares provided by Windows in Windows 10 operating system. Clear? So you can see here. Now you can see the browser page, how it looks like. Okay, just look at the screen. So this is the browser page of Microsoft Edge, and remember one thing, this is one of the faster and safer browsing software than other web browsers. Clear? Okay, then the another one feature of Windows, that is Hello, which means new built-in biometric system. Okay, Hello is one of the new feature, that is just a new built-in biometric system. What is this biometric? Do you know? So which means that the login system that you can use the fingerprint or iris recognition and also face login. Okay, so the users can use this technology to log into Windows 10. What are the things by here? Fingerprint possible, iris recognition or face login is provided by Windows 10, so which is more safer. Okay, so now let's see. Here a person is sitting in front of the computer, and he is using face login. But Windows 10 operating system, for login it requires some hardwares like a fingerprint recognition, which is beneficial for more security. Okay, so Windows 10 provided high security because of this facility, because this Hello is one of the new feature which helps to log into the Windows 10 operating system using the biometric system. Okay, so biometric system, which means we can use fingerprint login or iris recognition or face login. Okay, so the next one is Action Center. Action Center means it is a notification center of Windows 10. Okay, so Action Center here, upper part and lower part. I told you it's a notification center. So this screen has two parts. Upper part will display notifications, and lower part display quick action buttons and brightness changing modes, etc. Okay, so these are the new features of Windows 10. First here we discussed it is very user friendly operating system and more personal operating system. And the next Condinum and Cortana and Snap Assistant and Task View and Browser, Hello, Action Center. These are the different features of Windows 10 operating system. Okay, clear everybody? So this is the screen of Windows 10 desktop. Okay, two parts of Windows 10 desktop here. In this Action Center, which means it provides a notification center, and first two part is there. Thank you.